cottage garden is a simple, informal and traditional garden style. In a cottage garden, you will find lots of varieties of plant with different structure and height planted together. It reflects the person's personality. It is calm, relaxing and romantic, and one of the best features is the addition of lots of colorful flowers. I will talk about some of the plants that you can plant in your garden to get the cottage garden feel. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. First we have roses. Roses are the classic garden flowers. They are traditional, beautiful and elegant. There is a rose for every situation. Roses come in many varieties and so many colors. From small size to climbing varieties, there are many options. Plus they have fragrance. A cottage garden is incomplete without a rose. They do need a little attention, and with proper care, they will do amazing in the garden. Next, hollyhock. This is one of the best plants to have in a cottage garden. It is important to have plants with different heights to make the garden exciting, and hollyhocks are the best for heights. They have big colorful flowers that really stand out in the garden, even from the distance. They give your garden a vertical interest. Growing them is very simple, and with minimum care, you will have great results. Number 3 is phlox. Phlox is another beautiful plant. Not only they have beautiful flowers and amazing colors, but they have fragrance, which really enhances your gardening experience. Phlox is an easy to grow plant, and they come in different sizes. Some can get 4 feet tall. They bloom a lot and they attract a lot of pollinators in the garden. Number 4, Snapdragon. This is one of my favorites. Snapdragons come in many colors and they are such unique looking flowers. They also come in tall and short varieties. They look so good in the wind and you can easily grow them from seeds. The unique color and flowers make your garden more exciting. 5. Cosmos. One of the easiest plants to grow. Cosmos adds color and drama to the garden. They have big showy flowers that move and flops over, making your garden feel natural and beautiful. Cosmos are carefree plants that you can grow easily from seeds. They come up naturally every year. They're perfect for any garden. 6. Hydrangea. Hydrangea is a beautiful perennial flowering shrub. They have big cluster of blooms and they stand out in the garden very well. They have beautiful colors that change according to the soil pH. There are many varieties to choose from. It is a great plant for your garden. Next, Foxglove and Delphiniums. These are excellent addition to a cottage garden. They are different plants, but they have similar appearance and growing habit. They grow tall and give your garden vertical interest. Growing them is very easy and they are great for attracting pollinators in the garden. They also come in beautiful shades of color that gives your garden a romantic touch. A cottage garden is incomplete without them. Next, Dianthus and Carnations. Dianthus is a beautiful plant. They're quite common and very good performer. They have lots of varieties, some are annuals and some are perennials. Dianthus gives you variety of color and they are very long lasting. They also have fragrance, which is a bonus. With short and compact structure, they're perfect for any garden. Number 9, Poppy. With variety of color and beautiful flowers, poppies are one of the best plants to add in a garden. Poppies are great to give you the cottage garden feel with the colorful and informal look. They move in the wind and they constantly attract bees in the garden. They make your garden calm and relaxing. Poppies are really easy to grow and you can easily grow them from seeds. Number 10, Flowering Climbers. Climbing plants are essential for a cottage garden, and plants like clematis, sweet pea and morning glory are perfect climbers to add in the garden. The colorful flowers and fragrance add a lot to the garden. As they are climbers, they are also great for adding height and structure to the garden. Apart from all these, you can also add dahlias, marigold, stalk and daisies. Depending on your climate and location, you can add anything you want and give your own touch to your garden. It all depends on what you like and your personal preference. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I will see you next time. Bye.